It's your boy King Ginger, Creme de la Creme. I'm coming again with another banger, my brother. It's a #1 challenge, Bafethu. As you all know, I'm the first guy in Africa to be doing this challenge, one hot chip challenge, and we are in Johannesburg, my brother. And I've got a brother, Uti and Bafethu, angalida lili chips for 5 minutes, and I'll be giving him 500 rands cash now. Ngizomgaya so ibala phambi kwenu uready for inyuku bafethu. So let's do this challenge and see ukuthi sikhala kanjani mntanami. One hot chip challenge bafethu. King Ginger, Creme de la Creme, intwana seking sizwakalani. Njayami. Bekezela.
Yakuvuma. Yeah.
Are you usakade? 3 minutes usakade.
Yizo nje ya, yizo.
Let's eat chips. Already. Let's eat chips. Bafethu niyaza ngafuna ukukhuluma ukhale ukuthi let's eat chips bafethu. Na inyuku. Ngicela usondele bese usibale imali. Oh uyibalele. Bala. I'm giving away 500 rands more ukuthi he's eating this chip for 5 minutes and angaphuzi amanzi. Angaphuza amanzi or
200
ubisi. Right.
300.
Okay. 400. Yes.
500 ikondile.
500 uqondile bafethu.
500.
Dango. Right now 5 clip bafethu. And then naye ke impahla enkulu one chip ngicela ulivule bese. Ngicela ulivule. Right. Show everyone ukuthi livaliwe. Show them. You ready ngithi? Indlamu mfethu. Igama lakho mfethu
mfethu awufuni igama lakho.
Afuni ukhipha igama ukrene ngithi. All right mfethu, we all know the rules. It's 5 minutes and then uthatha 500 cash. And ngicela ulikhiphe mfethu silibone. Mina ukhiphe. Yeah. All right. Uready ukuthi siqale. Can I have time mfethu? Ubani uzosiza nge-timer because my phone is on the mic.
The chips.
Tell on the phone is on the timer because the phone hear me.
I think that's phone.
Tell us that's the phone I say. Alright. Alright, ngithi. Nilibonile wafethu uyivulele yena ngithi. Alright, so time is going to be 5 minutes. We are waiting for someone who's going to Hayi singani selungisile. Lingani diamond. We are waiting. You must timer. Alright.
Awuvula stopwatch.
Ngizokuthiwa la iJozi mfethu umuntu ongawusaba upelepele. You are the best when it comes to Joburg. Upelepele into zakho. It's a privilege mntanami. Are you ready?
Sure.
Can we count down to 3 and then Mrs. Mkalel?
Yeah.
In 3, 2, 1, let's go! Time. Alright. Okay. It's one hot chip challenge, Bafethu. It's only available in America and there's and this is the first guy in South Africa to taste this shandies. It's going crazy, it's going bananas. Great night, Jam. My pets are all chauffeur to when a very into that. Right. Are you good? What's on John, man? It's got to some 500 to walk, you pay.
I want to be big.
Sasekoi. Wow! Show the guy. Are you okay?
4 minutes. 4 minutes. 4 minutes.
How's this phone?
4 minutes.
Focus, stay on focus.
Yeah.
Are you shocked, my man?
What's a John, Pete? Look on ubisi masultinga. Likoni vati. Ukrenda ngithi.
At this moment you
Nine imali yakho mfethu. Right. Alright. Only 5 minutes bafethu imali ihamba. It's going crazy, it's going bananas. King Ginger Cream and the cream. Utreni jam.
2 minutes.
Kwenza njani? Ngiyafinyeka manje.
3 minutes mngani wami message. 3 minutes mngani wami. 3 minutes.
Kunjani? Kuthi sukuma, kuthi kwenza njani? Luthini ulimi manje? Take a scene, kwenza njani? Alright, wabonga manje indaba. Woo!
2 minutes man.
Right? You. Eh? You. Ah! Bibele King bafethu lenza lo msebenzi uthola iqale liqaqa umqondo nje. Iqanisa ingqondo nje. Fila kanjani?
Yo, ngani inyembe?
Kani inyembezi yabona. Kodwa 5 clip yawuthatha. Clip wakho mfethu. Almost
there baba.
Kumuli chezi le.
Bathi kumuni skip uskoke. Ngicela ukubona. Ngicela bese ngimbone.
2 minutes.
Almost baba. Almost.
Musuyifihla.
I'll finish up.
1 minute.
1 minute left. I'll subekezele enough. Bekezele enough.
Eh?
See ya.
Milk. Why milk?
500.
Sukume mafuna.
Only second left.
Bekezela. Eh?
Akuvume mngani wami.
Ngicela ukubona khuluma nami. Musubheka phansi. Asikuboni phela.
Ngishile.
Ushile kanjani? Funa ukubona.
Ngisuka amehlo ngisho.
Ungabamba amehlo.
Yeah, ngibambile ngawo.
Sorry. Izokubhena namehlo. Fanele uvele ugeze ngobisi amehlo.
Ngingathinta ngale tissue kanti ngishule ngawo.
So lenza njani manje? Sekwenza njani manje? Ungathinti mfethu amalokuzane. Ungathinti amehlo ngelokuzane. Yakhala manje kwenza ngene sikhipha inyembezi manje. Oh, uthinta amehlo. All right. Kamba kanjani sithini isikhathi lapho?
30 seconds.
Osele.
Usedile wona.
Uredi. Woo! How do you feel? Usizwa njani?
Baba ngishemehlweni.
Baba ngishamela. Waza ngikubona ukuthi ngibone amehlo ukuthi ngibone akuvule kungavuleki saphakamisa ikhanda. Masufoto kanje. Indaba
Nesikhathi awushuke nesikhathi.
Sithini isikhathi? 10 seconds left. Let's count down for him. 10. 9.
Yafika manje.
Ayibusakade. 3 minutes usakade.
Yizo nje ya. Yizo.
Uyalifuna ubisi?
7 mngani wami.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, guys. He's washing his face now, and then he's going to be taking 500 cash. Yeah, I am busy. Woo! Wow! Congratulations, my brother. You are the first guy in Johannesburg to do the one hot chip challenge, and you are the first winner. But man, you are vomiting, eh?
No, I'm not.
Oh, you're not.
I'm washing the face.
Wash your don't touch it. Eh? Oh, okay, so ngani?
Yeah.
All right, to be serious. Hlala naye. So little bit. All right. Can you tell them to drink the milk? Are you okay? You good?
Where's the milk?
He's coming, the milk.
No, it's a metal mawavuni.
Eish, sorry ukuthi uthinta amehlo. Ngikhohle ngikutshele iru lokugcina amehlo awathintwa. Nalo ubisi. Now, Louis. Okay. I'm opening it for you. Amanzi abambanje. Now, Louis. Ngaliphihlizi kakhulu. Ngizoshawa number 2 ngalo. Kumele ngiyo-withdraw another one. Kumele ngimove a different location, guys. Sengishayile la eGoli, kumele ngiyemakazana manje. Yeah, we need to hit ikasi manje Joburg. Simtholile umjit and uwinile 5 clipper now. Come, baba, ngizokunika iprize yakho. Come, baba.
It's a little grand.
Eh?
It's
Yabona indaba yamehlo. Ithi amehlo. Amehlo mfethu ungasabamba ngezandla. Yabona indaba yamehlo. Zwakala. Ngizokuthola imini ngizokusulela la. Ngophethe. Come. Yeah, man. It's going crazy, bafethu. What on the show? Oh, na imoto vele. Awubone? Okay, waza ngizothulela ke. But say inyuku nansi mfethu. Congratulations awuthami. All right. So safuna ukubona bafethu ngicathi miyeke athi ukuthi ukuthatha izu 5 minutes ushayile inyuku yakhe yeah. On a beautiful Tuesday, 500. Ntambama khona. Oh yeah. You can read here. Sorry mfethu ukuthi uyibamba amehlo mfethu yabo. But yona injani?
ungawari ngepelepele mina ngamehlo nje amamkhulu.
Tshela umuntu kodwa ongayazi lento sazoyitesta linjani. So how do you feel now? It's crazy. Oh, it's emehlweni. Okay guys, he made a mistake. Utache amehlo akhe nge-chip, so that's why amehlo abona ngathi they are burning. But yena athi akababelo.
Ngiyababelo but ngijwayele.
Ujwayele ne? Out of all ukubaba lokho kubabayo lokho kunjani? But you okay. So that we can go outside and give you your prize and we wrap up the thinking.
Okay. Look, everybody.
Everyone is here. Show everyone there. Everyone is here. It's crazy. King Ginger, Creme de la Creme, guys. This is your #1 channel, as you all know. Please do not forget to subscribe. If you also want yourself to win 500 rands, you can type an email and say, King Ginger, I want to do the challenge. I'll make sure that I pull up in your city or in your hood or in your kasi, and I'm giving away 5 clipper for 5 minutes if you are eating this Shandy's 1 hot chip challenge. All right, we are Sula, man. Yeah. Oh, we are Sula. Yeah. It's going crazy, man. It's going crazy. Just all right. Hey, imagine, which means it's not that hot, ne? Guys, this guy atutando pele. Okay, all right. Let's move. Thank you. Let's move. Yeah. Let's move. We are going out to give away the prize now. We have our first winner in South Africa. As you all know, we're doing it live in the streets of Johannesburg. Zagala baba. Yes, our man, yeah. Kalabuya. Let's go. All right. It's going crazy. All right, Bafethu. As I said, Bafethu, now in Yugu. Just got crushed. Just got crushed. Count your money. All right, count it for us, please.
Yeah.
Just got himself 500 rands for 5 minutes to eat 1 hot chip, and it's going crazy. It's going bananas. Are you good? What are you gonna do with the money? Are you gonna buy something to pull you up? Can I tell you, you're strong, man.
Hayi mina ngeke ngiphuzele utho futhi.
Ah,
Ngophuza ubhiya kuphela. Ungasangilandeli kakhulu.
oh yeah! Zakali, what's the bit? Thank you so much for playing. You know, my name is King Changer Creme de la Creme, and please do not make that mistake. Make sure that you subscribe on this channel so that you can see more content. We're in South Africa. I'm the first guy in South Africa to do one hot chip challenge, and I'm bringing more and more episodes. It's going crazy. It's going bananas. It's a biblical king. Zakali. We out.
Let's go, banana.
Kwenza njani? Asifuna abantu abalwayo. Eswini. But ngom 500 sisukhona. Akusali lutho bangalwa abantu akungaphezulu. Nokumpethe lo 5. Yeah man. Let me tell wonke umuntu fethu ukuthi if we are doing this they must not touch.
Ungabambi ubuso ngesandla sakho ubambe ngale chips.
Yeah.
Yababa le channel.
Can we see your tongue? It's baby the king. It's crazy.
Yababa. Uyabona mali blue kanje ulima usumdla.
Amehle right kanje.
Ndoda phela ngitsamehlo ngwabambile ngale yathi.
This thing
ngathi kuyaliwe siswini.
Akakapheli ke mfethu isazonyukela kwesinye stage. Khona la usuzohlanya khona usazokufaka i-energy uzizwe ngathi
ube lesa sifoko lesi sikhafula umlilo.
Sikolile.
Uzibonile lo.
Lesipoko sikolile sithi.
Hayi kodwa ngikubone ngathi uphendukile lesa sifoko uma ugijima. Hey, yabo ma 45 minutes egijima. Eyo.
Bengifuna ukuhlanya ngiqede phambi kwenu bese ngiyodizulini name. Otherwise manje hayi.
Baba wami. Wami ungangidini Ngiyishilo lapho into engiyishilo lapho.
Usiyabonga ngeke usayenza i-challenge.
Hayi mina i-challenge ngibonile kumngani wami ukuthi hayi
500 friends of it. King Changer Creme de la Creme. What hot chip challenge? It's Biblical King. I'm out.
Yeah, get up, niggas contemplating. Push up, blow out, push it to the limit. Full on, two shot, you ain't bout it, business. Put on, go on, Super Mario.